Hi. Please subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I am Prince, and behind me there is my assistant, Mrs. Lisa. Hi, Lisa. Tell the people a challenge we are facing.
Thanks, Mr. Prince. Let me take over. A challenge we are facing in our farming sector is that our chickens are suffering from a glimpse of whatever the disease. Let's take a look. This chick cannot even see now. What might be the disease?
Thank you, Lisa, for your time with the public.
Oh, you are welcome. Please, people, let us know in the comments section below if you have any solution for resolving this matter. Do not forget to like and subscribe.